Hello and welcome. On this episode of Tool Overview Thursday, we got our Oxy Acetylene Torch set and cart. My dad got me the bottles as a Christmas gift in 2020 if I went and bought the torch. I decided to go with the Victor torch set, so it's got the Victor regulators, the Victor gauges, Victor hose. Came with a pretty good igniter as well. Of course, it's got the Victor torch. I thought I would like this style because it's got this grip that fits really good in your hand. And for the most part, I do like this style. But I will say, when you're holding it in your hand like this, you have a tendency of turning the knobs by mistake. So a lot of times, I hold it back here by the check valves. What do you think, Abby? Do you like the torch? We run a brazing tip on this. It's not to be chewed on. Just don't chew on it. Anyway, we run a brazing tip on this. We don't actually use it for cutting metal. We have a plasma cutter for that. So we use this to torch things to get it hot. We also use it to heat up bolts that won't come out. And these bottles haven't been filled since 2022, and we use it quite a bit. We hand-built this cart. I went ahead and built it like this. My dad's got one that's very similar to this, except it has really small wheels that mount on the corner at the bottom. So when you tip it back, it has almost no ground clearance. And it's great in the shop, but it's terrible in the rocks. So I went ahead and was studying moving dollies at Tractor Supply because I was thinking about buying one and converting it. And I realized that moving dollies use bigger wheels and they also offset them back from the cart. So when you go ahead and tilt this thing back, it actually has some ground clearance. So that ground clearance is great. You can wheel it across rocks, grass, or anything else with ease. Instead of doing straps and stuff like that, we just went simple with chains. Hold the bottles in. We got this little thing up here that sets on top of our bottle. We use it to hang stuff off of, like the mask that we never wear or the lighter. It's got this really nice padded handle here. But yeah, we're pretty proud of this thing, and we've used it for a ton of projects that you've seen on the channel, some of which you haven't. Well, we're going to go ahead and do a slideshow of pictures of building this thing, and we'll also show some of the projects we worked on with it. We hope you like this episode of Tool Overview Thursday as much as we do. Feel free to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.